Russia deploys Lys-2 counter-drone system along front lines. Russia has begun fielding the Lys-2, also known as the Fox-2, along active frontline positions in Ukraine, with multiple confirmed accounts indicating that military units deployed along the contact line have begun receiving the fixed-wing interceptor drone in quantity following an initial period of test operation. The deployment represents a shift from evaluation to operational use. After what open-source reporting describes as a trial phase, Russian forces are now receiving the Lys-2 directly at the unit level, a distribution pattern that suggests the system has cleared whatever internal assessment process preceded broader rollout. The timing is notable. Ukrainian forces have steadily expanded their use of long-range one-way attack drones capable of striking targets well behind Russian lines, and Moscow has struggled to field a cost-effective answer at scale. The Lys-2 is a fixed-wing, unmanned aircraft launched from a mechanically tensioned catapult, eliminating any need for a prepared runway or airstrip. That feature alone makes it significantly more practical for frontline use than systems requiring dedicated launch infrastructure. Units can deploy it from field positions without extensive setup, which is a meaningful tactical advantage in a conflict where positions shift and logistics are perpetually under pressure. What distinguishes the Lys-2 from a conventional surveillance or strike drone is its intended mission: finding and destroying other drones. According to available footage and open-source descriptions, the system is designed to autonomously acquire and engage a target during the terminal phase of flight. Rather than relying on a remote operator to guide it all the way to intercept, the Lys-2 is built to reduce dependence on continuous operator control, a capability that becomes especially relevant in electromagnetically contested environments where communications links are routinely jammed or degraded. Official technical specifications for the Lys-2 have not been confirmed by Russian authorities. Open-source reporting, however, cites figures suggesting an operational range of up to 15 kilometers, a flight speed between 120 and 160 kilometers per hour, and a maximum operating altitude of approximately 4,000 meters. Those parameters, if accurate, would position the Lys-2 as a short to medium-range interceptor suited to engaging low-altitude threats, precisely the category that Ukrainian long-range one-way attack drones occupy. Counter-drone interceptors of this type are not intended to operate alone. Systems like the Lys-2 are typically employed as one layer within a broader defensive stack that includes electronic warfare assets capable of jamming or spoofing hostile drones, as well as short-range air defense weapons for threats that survive initial intercept attempts. Russia has been developing and deploying all three categories simultaneously, reflecting the degree to which drone warfare has reshaped defensive priorities along the entire front. Russia's acceleration of counter-drone fielding reflects a war that has functionally become a proving ground for unmanned systems on both sides. The Lys-2 deployment suggests Moscow is moving beyond improvised responses and toward purpose-built, unit-level solutions for a threat that shows no sign of diminishing.